On May 14, 2022, the volunteers of 775 Off-Road Recovery, along with their friends at the Fandango Casino, put together the first annual Off-Road Show and Shine. This event brought together off-road enthusiasts and vendors from across northern Nevada to one location to share their experience and off-road vehicles. With over 500 attendees and over 30 volunteers, this event was an event for every age, from rock climbing and RC cars to participating in the car show. We believe this car show brought together families from all across Nevada. From UTVs to old 4x4 custom trucks, the show also included firefighters from the Bureau of Land Management, the Sierra Nevada Amateur Radio Society, the Sierra Nevada RC Crawlers, the Wild West Jeep Club, and many, many more. 775 Off-Road Recovery wants to give a special thanks to all the people from the community that came out to support the first annual Show and Shine. We also want to say thank you to all our vendors for the support during the event, and the Casino Fandango for having such an awesome venue. We were also able to award a special gift to a local nonprofit for all their hard work in cleaning and keeping the trails clean for all our off-road activities.
This is my buddy Phil. Say hello, Phil.
Hey, Phil!
3 years? 4 years?
Almost 4 years.
So he's been cleaning up the desert for 4 years. He goes out almost every weekend with a whole bunch of other people, and they clean up the desert from people that do illegal dumping.
Hey, good job, Phil!
Yeah!
Thank you!
He's a nonprofit organization. He's gotten some grants, which is fantastic for him and his organization. And he is the Desert Pigs. So 775 Off-Road and Recovery, along with Fox Factory Initiative Trail Trust, we're giving your organization $1,000. No, thank you, Phil. Thank you for what you do out there. We appreciate it. Take care of all those horrible tires and junk that just gets left out.
That'll pay for some of it.
But wait, there's more, Phil.
Oh. You're going to Disneyland!
So my name is Rita Heidkamp. I've organized this show. I'm with 775, but I'm also the founder with my husband of an organization called Random Acts of Conservation. And Random Acts of Conservation encourages individual contributions, kind of like Random Acts of Kindness, but if you are the one who goes and picks up that piece of trash, you don't know who's watching. Somebody else might say, oh, I can do that too, or whatever little thing you can do to conserve our traditions, whether they be Second Amendment traditions, talk about it. We are here to encourage that and to recognize the people who do like Phil did with Desert Pigs. So we are matching the Fox Factory Trust. So we really, really appreciate what you do. And for those who would like to chip into this, Phil's webpage, Desert Pigs, has a donate button. So feel free. So thank you, Phil.
Thank you so much.
And I think we need a nice photo op.
All right, yeah.
Go up here. Oh, Charlie sees the check, he wants it.
Oh, you got to get in here too, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie.
Let's get Charlie in here.
Here, you get.
This guy's my hero.
Hold the check, bro.
All right.
There you go.
Wow.
Charlie, look at the camera. Smile. All right, one more round of applause for Phil.
Everyone, thank you very much, guys. Remember, this stuff cannot be possible without your help and your contribution as well to 775 Off-Road and Recovery. So if you want, one way you can help is you can just donate. If you want to just donate, please feel free. Talk to one of these guys, these bright shirts to help you donate. If you'd like to win a 50-50 raffle.
Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah.